Hey people, well here's another fan you may remember. This is my EXL made by Hunter model 11069. Now the reason I'm showing this one again is because I made a little improvement on it. I kind of was able to adjust the bearings the right way, or adjust the tightness of the motor the right way, where it has just the right of in play. I think that was the case. Before this, the blade on this fan would stop kind of quick, and the speeds ran kind of low. So, to show to you as it runs now. Also, this is the first time I've shown this. As you can see, it's on this rollabout stand. Well, this is also the first time I showed this off. I got this with another first gen K223, which only briefly had. I got it because of this stand. Well, since I had another first gen K223 in better shape, thought I'd keep the stand but give the fan that came with it to my cousin who lives not too far from me. So I'm just showing this stand off for the first time. As you can see, that's this stand, unlike my other one's, in rough shape. It's got some paint peeling off here, and those rubber end things are not original. So, well, here's this fan like it runs now. Here's high. Well, high speed always ran pretty high, but I think it runs a little bit better now. Here's medium. Now before I fixed this, the medium speed ran kind of like low on my 2-speed Hunter box fans. Both the EXL brand one and the Hunter brand one. And here's low. And low on this before was like really low. Slightly lower than this. So that too, I believe, has improved. Back to high. And off. Yeah, it's got much better coast down time now. Probably not perfect, but much better than what it was before. So this is my 1970s EXL model 11069 after I made a slight improvement to it. Thank you for watching.